Hi, my name is Nameeta and I'm the developer of Boond, a cleft lip and palate infant feeder. Statistically, 1 in 800 babies in India is born with a cleft lip and palate each year. According to some organizations, there are over 2 lakh babies born with this condition worldwide annually. It is the second most common birth anomaly in the world, and my baby was one of them. Nothing is more heartbreaking to a mother than not being able to feed her baby. All cleft babies have diverse and unique feeding challenges. Within the first year of the infant's life, they go through 2 milestone surgeries. That is when feeding becomes really difficult. Boond is a bottle which will enable mothers to feed their babies right from infancy to reconstructive surgeries and for as long as the baby requires assistive feeding. Boond was created in conjunction with medical experts so that parents and caregivers could support their babies' nutritional needs and ease their own anxieties. If our cause appeals to you, then I would urge you to join us in our journey to ensure that every parent and every cleft child gets the Boond bottle. Thank you.